In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clearing account in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard and find the accounting section. This is your starting point for accessing your financial data, so it's a crucial area to be familiar with. From the accounting section, look for the option to view your chart of accounts. This area lists all that your existing accounts, and it's where we'll be adding your new clearing account. Next, you'll see an option to add a new account, typically located near the top of the page. Click on this to initiate the process. Now, you'll be presented with a form where you'll need to input some essential details for your new account. Starting with the account type, you'll want to select Current Liability. This is important because clearing accounts often involve transactions that balance over a short period, aligning with the typical function of a current liability account. Once you've set the account type, move to the fields for the account name and code. These should be descriptive yet concise, so that you and any team members can easily recognize and use the account in the future. A name like clearing account might be suitable, but feel free to adjust it to fit your specific needs and existing naming conventions. Lastly, there's a description field. While it might be tempting to skip it, taking a moment to fill this out can actually save you a lot of time in the long run. This description is your opportunity to provide context and clarity. Perhaps include the purpose of this account or any specific uses it might have within your organization. Once you've completed all these fields and double-check them for accuracy, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations! You've created a new clearing account in Xero. This account is now ready to be used for managing temporary transactions, whether it's for tracking funds in transit or reconciling different accounts. It's a small but crucial piece of your financial management toolkit that can help ensure everything runs smoothly. To wrap things up, always remember to periodically review your chart of accounts. Over time, as your financial operations evolve, you might find a need to adjust or edit your accounts. Keeping your accounts organized and up to date helps maintain clear financial records, which, in turn, supports effective decision-making. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check out more of our videos for further guidance.